Can you learn to sing high notes even if you don't have the natural ability to do so? Let's talk about it. So the main thing that you need to understand here is that our voices are built to be able to do that, but not in full voice. So you've got your lower voice here that you talk with, you've got your chest voice, and then you've got your head voice, the other gear that you need to switch into if you want to sing high notes. And you can use this head voice, this falsetto, whatever you might want to call it, you can use it to turn it into your full voice and to be able to transition from chest to head voice without a noticeable change in tone. And everybody can learn to do that. It's just that you need to learn the right technique that will enable you to do so. So how can we begin to do it? How can we begin to learn to connect our chest voice and our head voice so that these head voice notes can actually sound like chest voice? Well, what we do is we need to learn to navigate our bridge. Your vocal bridge is the place where you can sing both chest and head voice, but it becomes really difficult to pull all the weight up of your chest voice. So for most people, for most guys, it's like between an E4 and an F sharp 4, that's where your first bridge is. You need to learn to transition into your head voice without changing the tone, but also without adding too much tension. You want to learn how to do that. The secret to doing that is called vocal cord closure. Your vocal cords need to be close together in order to produce full sound. When you're in your falsetto, your vocal cords are not close together. More times they are apart than they are close together. So you want to keep them together. You can do it using something called vocal fry. Now vocal fry is this sound. This very low kind of rattle, like you just woke up. Now if you put some of that quality into your voice, going higher, suddenly your vocal cords don't blow apart, but you need to use very little air, very little air. That's how you can start to connect your voice from the bottom to the top. And then you can start going a little bit fuller. Try to use a little bit of a fuller voice. But your vocal cords will stay together. And once you get comfortable with that, you can actually start singing some songs. But I still haven't found what I'm looking for. You can have fun with that. You can sing songs using this technique, and you can definitely learn how to sing high notes. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you next time.